Good day, friends. Swati Arts welcomes you. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. I have come up with this project. In fact, this project was meant for today, as I have done a portrait of Gondavlekar Maharaj in pencils, in color pencils. I am using STEADLERS for coloring. Is in two parts. The first part is scaling and drawing, and the second part obviously is coloring. Let me tell you something about scaling. What is scaling? Scaling means enlarging a small picture into the number of times. Like I have done this project. I have enlarged the picture 2.5 times. Okay, I have enlarged it 2.5 times. So you can do it n number. Like you can do it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, according to your requirement. I have done this 2.5 times. Okay, I have worked on leather paper. This is on paper, not on canvas. Okay. Now, what is as I said, scaling means enlarging. Now, there is a method of scaling. Many people use different methods. I have used 1:1 scale. Like what I have done is, okay, before I start with the process of what is scaling or how to do scaling, let me tell you the preparation that you have to make beforehand. Okay, there are some preparations that you are supposed to make. First of all, after you have selected a picture, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to take two prints of the pic. One will be the colored one, that would be your original print, and the second one would be black and white or a Xerox, that you can take it on normal paper or even Xerox paper you can take, or a print paper you can take, no problem. The original one has to be of good quality. The colored one has to be of good quality so that your colors are bright and they are shown up properly. Okay. Okay, the print that you choose, the photo that you choose has to be of good resolution and clear, because again it will trouble your eyes otherwise. Okay. Then these two prints we are supposed to take. And now, why two prints? The black and white, or the first print that we are taking, is the normal one that we'll be using for scaling. And the second one, that is the colored one, we'll be using for coloring. Now what we have to do is, the black and white print, we have to scale it. Like, we have to draw checks of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. You have to draw points of 1 centimeter on the vertical as well as horizontal points you have to draw, and you have to join them and make 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter squares. Now, once this is done, your scaling of the black and white print is done. We'll be going to the original one. Black and white print is the normal printing paper or the normal Xerox paper, A4 size. You have to take 2.5 times or 3 times, or whatever scale you are taking, you have to take a paper that many times bigger. Okay, I have taken 2.5 times bigger paper, okay, for the work. Now what I will do is, on the small paper I have made squares of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. On the big paper I'll be making squares of 2.5 centimeters into 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Hope I am not confusing you. It will be very much clear after you watch the video. To watch and let me know if you have understood the procedure of scaling. Comment in the comment box and let me know if you have any doubts, or if you have not understood the procedure, or if you find it difficult, or if you find that I am not explaining properly. Please let me know so that I'll correct myself in my forthcoming videos. Do watch. Bye.
If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.